Well, look, I'm on a mission to record every single brand new construction community around Savannah, Georgia. And I'm in Edgewater at New Hampstead, which is Savannah/Bloomingdale, all right? This is video number 3. This is your first time watching. I'm Bruno. I am a realtor down here in Savannah, Georgia. I'm also a veteran. I speak Spanish. And all I'm doing right now is making a bunch of videos about brand new construction communities. So if you're planning on moving to the Savannah, Georgia area in 2026 and you're interested in new construction, this is the perfect channel for you. Now, just so you know, it's super cold. It was 26 degrees this morning. I think right now it's about 33 degrees. So I have to wear this. So if you don't think that in Savannah, Georgia gets cold, you're wrong. It does get cold, not as horrible as in New York or Canada, obviously, but it still gets cold. Now, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna show you the different floor plans. I'm gonna give you a payment breakdown, meaning how much money out of pocket do you need to get a new construction home like this. I'm gonna also show you the neighborhood, right? I have a GoPro camera and I'm gonna pull up my drone as well so you can see you can get a bird's eye view of the community, all right? So let's do it. Now, just so you know, all of this community is being built by Lennar, which, as you know, is a national builder. These are not custom homes, all right? You're gonna see here on the GoPro camera and the drone footage how the community looks like, how the houses look like. They're built using vinyl siding, not hardy planks, all right? Now, there's an HOA, which right now is $1,243, and it also includes, obviously, access to the amenities and Wi-Fi. Well, guys, just so you know, this is the amenity center that they have coming up. That's how it's gonna look like, and it's gonna be right here on that side, as you can see. All right, the model homes are right there. You can see right there, that's the model home. The one in the middle is another model home, and the one on the corner as well. Now, you're gonna notice in the Savannah area a bunch of these ponds on all of the communities. The way they do that is obviously using heavy machinery, but the dirt that they take out of this, they use it to build all of the other houses, all right? And obviously this is just for whenever it rains a lot, since this is not in a flood zone, the water can flow that way. You can see that on that side, right? The water stays there and it doesn't go into the houses or the community. Now, in this community, you're gonna find 12 different floor plans. They go all the way from $302,000 to $386,000. Keep in mind though, I'm recording this video in January. The grass looks like that because it's dormant, it's not dead grass, okay? And prices can change, all right? The incentives can change. People always call me asking about the incentives. Yes, they do have incentives if you use the preferred lender, okay? Can you buy a house if you use your own lender? Yes, but you're probably not gonna get incentives, meaning money towards your closing costs or anything like that. Now, if you ask me my opinion about Lennar or the community or the area, let me tell you this. In terms of my opinion about the builder, this is my opinion. They are a builder that sell affordable homes at scale, okay? And their clientele is not people looking for custom homes. I hear a lot of complaints of people, well, they're using builder grade materials and they're using this, they're using that. Well, guess what? That's what they do. That is the clientele that they're targeting. If you want a custom home and you want to live where the houses are not, for example, close to each other, then you need to look at a place that have that, okay? These communities, the videos that I have about new construction communities in this area, normally they're gonna be builder grade houses. Now, what do I think about the area when it comes to Little Neck Road, which is obviously the location of this community? Well, I like it. Let me tell you this. It's about 15 minutes away from the Tanger Outlets in Pooler. Pooler is the go-to place if you want to go shopping, if you want to go to a bunch of restaurants or have fun or whatever. That is the go-to place, besides obviously the city of Savannah downtown. So it is 15 minutes away from here to the Tanger Outlets, 20 minutes from here to the airport. If you drive down that road, it's literally 10 minutes to go from here to Savannah, all right? Now, you are in Chatham County, Georgia, which is the same county of Savannah, the same county of Pooler. Now, just so you're aware, these houses right here, they are under the mailing address of Savannah, okay? Savannah, Georgia, because the city of Savannah are the ones that invested money in the infrastructure of this. Like all the sewer system and all of that was invested by the city of Savannah. With that being said, if you were to live in this area, you're gonna be paying county taxes and city taxes. Now, don't be scared. I'm gonna show you, like I said, I'm gonna show you a breakdown with the model home, and we're gonna give you examples of the VA loan, FHA loan, conventional loan, all of that. And by the way, if you're from out of the state of Georgia and you have no idea how to compare the different areas of this market, I have something for you. It's called the Out of the State Buyer's Guide, okay? Just go to luisbruno.net/guide. You can download it there, or it's right there in the comments or the description of this video. Just go ahead and do that. Let's get back to the video. Now, since I know the question always comes up, what are the size of the lots, meaning the land in this house? Well, I'm gonna pull up the drawing and show you, but you're gonna find lots from 0.13, meaning 0.13 acres all the way to 0.23 acres. That is the norm. 2025. I'm not quite sure if they're gonna have, bigger lots, but I don't think so, because that's not how they do business here. So that's it. And by the way, right behind those trees is the school, New Hampstead School, which is a K-8 and high school as well. Now, the K-8 has a rating of 7 out of 10, and the high school has a rating of 5 out of 10. All right, so the name of this one is the Dover floor plan. All right, let's check it out. All right, so I'm gonna give you an example later of a home for $320,000, even though this floor plan that you're looking at goes as low as $300,000. Okay, now I don't like giving people best case scenario, so I'm gonna give you like a more realistic $320,000 scenario. All right, so here it is. This is a $320,000 home. It doesn't matter if it's from Lennar or anybody else. You have a VA loan, FHA loan, and conventional. You have zero down, $11,200 down, which is a 3.5% down payment on an FHA loan, right? And a $64,000 down payment, which is 20% down. Take a screenshot of this, pause the video, take a screenshot, or I don't know, take a picture or whatever. You're gonna see the interest rates too, based on today's day where I'm recording this video, and then the monthly payment, right? Guys, the number one reason that people fail is because they underestimate the amount of money that you need, not only out of pocket, but also they underestimate how much money you're going to pay a month. So this is the most important part of the video. Take a picture, ask question, send me a text message if you need to. All right, let's take a look at this house again. And in the meantime, let me answer this question. How much money do you need out of pocket after the down payment? All right, let's say you save already 3.5% for the down payment. You're planning on using an FHA loan. How much more money do you need? Well, check this out. You're going to need about, total, including the down payment, you're going to need about $24,000 to $25,000 just to be safe. Now, that's just to be safe, all right? Maybe the builder is going to give you money towards closing costs, and it could be $5,000, it could be $3,000, it could be $7,000, it could be $10,000, right? I don't know, because they always change. But just to be safe, have about $25,000 save up, and that way you don't have to be worrying about anything. All right, this is the last one of the day. So this is the Columbia floor plan. Let's see. All right, guys, so I'm going to give you an example of this floor plan, meaning a payment breakdown. This one, the starting price is $363,000. So I'm going to give you an example using $367,000, all right? I don't like giving best case scenarios because more often than not, they don't even work anyways. Now, and by the way, the other floor plan, meaning the other model home that I was about to show you, it's not going to be possible because they closed it, they're working on it or whatever. So that one is not going to be part of this video. Now, guys, they have other floor plans available, all right? So just call me, text me if you need anything. I'll be happy to help. I'm trying to be useful here. Let me give you an example. All right, you need to take a screenshot or a picture of this, all right? This is an example using a $367,000 home, using 3 different type of loans. Okay, you have VA loan, you have FHA loan with a 3.5% down payment, which is $12,845 in this case, and then a 20% down payment, which is $73,400. Okay, here in the middle, you're gonna see the interest rate of today's date, and then the total monthly payment at the bottom of it. All right, and here's the full breakdown, which is the principal and interest, the taxes, and the insurance that you're gonna need. All right, now pay attention because the FHA loan is the only one that has private mortgage insurance in this example. Okay, if you use a 20% down on a conventional, you're not gonna need mortgage insurance. But take a screenshot of this and let's see this home. All right, so this is a master bedroom on the first floor, by the way. So if you're looking for a master bedroom on the first floor, but you're open to a 2-story home, I think this is the perfect floor plan for you. Now, something that I know a lot of people don't like about this community is the fact that if you wanted to have a privacy fence, meaning one of those vinyl, either vinyl or wood fence, you're not gonna be able to, because you can only have the iron, like the bar black iron fence. All right, now just changing the topic a little bit. I don't like talking about myself too much, but here's 2 things you need to know about me. If you were to hire me as your realtor, for any new construction homes in this area. I could give you my own incentives, depending on what we got going on. But more often than not, there's a 90% chance I can actually save you even more money, because you can use the incentives of the builder, and I can also give you my own incentives. All right, so just call me or text me, and that's that. On another note, if you're from out of the state of Georgia and you have never visited this area, but you need to at least check out some communities and see, I'm not gonna make you sign a whole contract with me or charge you money just to show you a few homes. If you are on the first stage, meaning if you are just exploring your options, I don't have to do none of that. Now, if you wanted me to make an offer for you, of course, we're gonna have to have something in writing, and I'm gonna let you know upfront how much money they are giving me as a compensation for the service, okay? Builders normally offer agents about 2.5% to 3% depending on the deal. All right. Well, look, I'm gonna get going. I hope that was helpful. Please, if you want to see more neighborhoods, go to my channel, call me, text me. That is my number right here on the screen. Nice to meet you. I'll be happy to work with you and help you move. If not, that's totally okay. See ya.